Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science, and even your smile gets the spotlight it deserves. Think about it. Our smile is often the very first thing people notice, yet many of us overlook just how much technology has advanced in oral care. That's why today I'm reviewing the Oral-B iO Series 6 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, a sleek black model designed for adults with features that promise both precision and protection. This toothbrush is packed with some smart technology. It has 5 cleaning modes: daily clean, sensitive, whitening, gum care, and intense clean, so you can adjust based on your needs. It also has a built-in pressure sensor that lets you know if you're brushing too hard or too soft, which is key because gum damage is often caused by overbrushing, not neglect. The 2-minute timer ensures you're brushing long enough, while the visible display keeps you updated on cleaning modes, battery life, and replacement head reminders. You also get a travel case and 1 replacement brush head in the kit. Now let's talk about using it day to day. Incorporating this into my routine was straightforward. I tried switching between modes to see how different they felt. The sensitive mode was surprisingly gentle, while intense clean gave me that just left the dentist finish. The pressure sensor lit up more often than I expected at first, which was humbling, but it taught me to adjust my brushing technique. The toothbrush itself feels comfortable in hand, not overly bulky, and the display makes it intuitive to navigate. Of course, there are both strengths and weaknesses here. On the plus side, the cleaning performance is excellent. It really does leave your teeth feeling smoother compared to manual brushing. The timer and pressure sensor also make it feel like you've got a built-in dental coach. On the downside, replacement brush heads aren't the cheapest, and not everyone will want to bother syncing it with the Oral-B app, though it does add value for those who like real-time tracking. Is this worth the price? In my opinion, yes, if you're serious about oral health. Considering it offers gum protection, personalized cleaning modes, and Oral-B's proven plaque removal technology, the cost feels justified. But if you're on a tighter budget, you could consider simpler Oral-B models like the Pro 1000, which doesn't have the smart features, but still delivers solid cleaning. Comparing this to Philips Sonicare in the same tier, Oral-B's iO brushes often feel more robust in terms of gum pressure feedback, whereas Sonicare leans into gentler sonic technology. It really comes down to preference. If you want active coaching and a more physical brushing action, Oral-B might be the better fit. In terms of build quality, this toothbrush feels premium. The black finish is modern and sleek, and the travel case is sturdy enough to protect it on the go. After a few weeks of use, the brush still feels solid with no signs of wear. Longevity with Oral-B generally holds up well as long as you replace heads on schedule. Before I go further, let me pause and ask, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find Beautyistic too. Your support helps us keep making honest, in-depth reviews like this. Back to the brush, something I really noticed is how it subtly trains better habits. The combination of the timer, the pressure feedback, and the multiple modes made me more mindful of how I brush, not just how long. That's a win in my book. So here's my verdict. The Oral-B iO Series 6 delivers on its promises. It's especially suited for adults who want to protect their gums while still achieving a thorough clean. It's not the cheapest electric toothbrush out there, but if gum health and long-term oral care are priorities, the investment makes sense. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Oral-B iO Series 6 will be in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this toothbrush, let us know. Did you love it? Or did you find it a bit too high-tech for your taste? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.